I guess I have to wait for this dumb bird up. Sorry for all the bird lovers there, but this bird does not like me. We have a mutual dislike for each. Ouch! No! Try to open your cage. See? I just tried to open her cage and she bit me. It's a bird. Go away so I can open your cage. I miss Psycho. A little budgie. She's so mean. Aren't budgies supposed to be cute? Not mean and bite their owners when they try to open them up? Huh? Huh, Charlie Blue? Be a good budgie. Oh, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep. Boop, beep, boop. Boop. Boop, beep, boop. Boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Why are my animals so camera shy? Guys never do anything fun. Do something fun. And not fly at me. Anyways, I just got Steve really good. Oh, see? Turn my back and she... Charlie! Anyways, I just got Steve really good. He just was walking... I don't know what he was doing, but he was walking out here. And I had a pizza box from earlier that I was putting in recycling, and I snuck up behind him. And I whacked him on the butt and he didn't know I was there, and it scared him. It was hilarious. I wish I would have been filming during that. Quit bombing my vlog, bird. She does this to me all the time. She attacks me. She's trying to get me out of the room. She doesn't like me around. Really? You're land on my shoulder and be good. Or just stay away. Why are you so mean to me? Look, you're making yourself all in the breath. Settle down. And she's not nice either. If she does land on me, she'll end up biting me. She's the most evilest little budgie there is. Trust me. See, she flies right in my face and tries to get me.